Tips to choose a Lego table. In the event that you have children, you might need to think about purchasing a Lego table. Truly, Lego tables are on the rundown of best tables in the present time and place. Given underneath are a few hints that may assist you with getting your hands on the best table. Brand. To the extent the notoriety goes, Lego is among the top brands of today. The truth is that most homes have in any event one item from Lego. Furthermore, Lego blocks is one of them. Children can manufacture everything out of them. In the event that you get a table and a case of blocks from Lego, you can keep your children involved for a considerable length of time. Obviously, there are different items that may fill a similar need, however nothing is superior to a Lego item. Interestingly, these items are instructive too. For what reason should you go for Lego? The brand has a ton of points of interest. It assists kids with improving their critical thinking aptitudes. Beside this, it assists kids with improving their eye coordination and spatial aptitudes. As per specialists, blocks and squares assume an extraordinary job in helping a child become progressively imaginative. Studies show that children who are great at playing with squares will in general have better math aptitudes. Beside this, these items assist youngsters with improving their social and participation aptitudes. Tips to choose a table. Security and durability. When purchasing a Lego table, security ought to be your top thought. In actuality, you have to guarantee that the item is painted with a non-poisonous paint. Aside from this, the table ought to be tough and its edges ought to be dull with the goal that your children don't get injured. It's additionally significant that the table ought to have suitable tallness. It ought not be excessively high. Structure. Structure of the table likewise conveys a great deal of significance. It's a smart thought to choose a bright table. Since the vast majority of the items from this brand are vivid, you don't need to stress over this factor. Nonetheless, on the off chance that you like a strong shading, you should tell them and they will get you one. Cleaning. You should clean the table all the time. In the event that conceivable, you might need to get a waterproof table. This will make it simpler for you to wipe fluids effectively from the highest point of the table. Look at reviews. Before getting your hands on a table, remember to peruse surveys on audit sites. This will assist you with settling on the sort of table that will suit you the best. Indeed, perusing audits is prescribed regardless of what you need to purchase on the internet. Along these lines, on the off chance that you have been hoping to purchase a table for your children, we recommend that you look at Lego tables. With the highlights they offer, it won't be a smart thought to go for a table from some other brand. Ideally, the item will function admirably for you and you will love your choice. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.